If you want to make your Beehiiv newsletters a little more eye-catching and engaging, adding emojis is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add emojis in Beehiiv, step by step, so you can use them in your subject lines, drafts, and newsletter content without wasting time searching for them elsewhere. This is a simple trick, but it can make your emails feel more polished, more fun, and more clickable. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy Beehiiv tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open your newsletter draft inside Beehiiv. Once you're inside the editor, go to the exact spot where you want the emoji to appear. This could be in the body of your newsletter, near a heading, or anywhere you want to add a little visual attention. Now click that spot so your cursor is active there. This is important, because Beehiiv will insert the emoji right where your cursor is placed. Next, type a colon. That little colon symbol is the trigger Beehiiv uses to bring up the emoji picker. As soon as you type it, start entering the name of the emoji you want. For example, if you want a rocket, type rocket. If you want fire, type fire. If you want a smiley face, type smile. You do not need to type the full name perfectly every time, but the closer you are, the easier it is for Beehiiv to find the right emoji suggestion. After you start typing, Beehiiv will show a drop-down list of matching emojis. This is where you can browse the options and choose the one that fits best. Use your keyboard or mouse to select the emoji you want from the list. Once you've selected it, simply press Enter to insert it into your newsletter. And just like that, the emoji will appear directly in your draft. From here, you can keep writing and add more emojis anywhere else you want. You can repeat the same process as many times as you like, whether you're adding one emoji to highlight a point or using several to give your newsletter a more branded, playful look. A helpful tip is to use emojis sparingly and intentionally. Too many can make your email feel cluttered, but the right emoji in the right place can help guide attention and make your content feel more human. That's it. Now you know how to add emojis in Beehiiv in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Beehiiv walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.